This is not a bottle. This is literally a batla. By the
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I am officially dehydrated. My water intake is very low. So I just woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning and I have decided to change my life. Changing my life by drinking water. So there were many challenges on YouTube that I saw of drinking a gallon of water, and I have decided to follow it. So how much is a gallon of water? Is it this much? It's too small for me. Is it this much? Not, probably not. Is it this much? Yes, 3 combined makes a gallon of water. So this is 500 ml, this is 1 liters, and this is 2 liters. So basically a gallon is actually 3.7 liters of water. But then I was curious whether my body will be able to handle this much amount of water, because overhydration is a thing. So I asked ChatGPT that my weight is approximately 56 kgs, my height is 5 foot 4. So how much water intake should be good? So ChatGPT told me that 2.5 liters is actually good for me. So we have to say bye to this bottle. Bye. So this 2 liters bottle and 500 ml is actually a good water intake for me. So I will be drinking for 7 days 2.5 liters of water. So what are the benefits of this challenge? Again, I asked to ChatGPT. ChatGPT told me, why am I holding my bottles? Okay. So ChatGPT told me your brain will function good. And I have brain issues because of the brain rot that I'm consuming continuously from Instagram reels. So basically brain functions well, you have better energy. Second benefit caught my attention, which was better skin. So I won't lie to you, my skin is amazing. Like I have 0 pimples, touch wood please. But is it hydrated? Absolutely not. I have the driest skin. Skin is drier than Sahara Desert. So that is another benefit that I will watch by the end of this challenge. Third benefit was it supports digestion, so there will be no constipation and stuff. Okay, whatever. It regulates body temperature is again fourth benefit. I don't know what it does to you. Fourth benefit is just for namesake, I guess. It regulates body temperature. So another one good benefit of this challenge, it controls weight. Yeah, it is said that it is good for weight control. So basically sometimes that we feel like snacking on something, that is actually our thirst, when we are binge eating in between. So that is basically our hunger for thirst. It is not our actual hunger. So if we consume more water, we are not going to get hungry like that. So it will be able to help us in our weight control. I don't know what I am saying, but these are the benefits created by ChatGPT. So let's go for our challenge. I'm super excited.
So I am here in my kitchen to fill my water bottles right now. My kitchen is pretty much messy right now, but let's fill our water bottles. We have our 2 liters bottle and ChatGPT told us 2.5 liters is enough, and this is our 500 ml. Our water is being filled. Let's go water. Let's go. I'm excited to drink water. Our bottles are filled, ready to go for the challenge. So our challenge has been started, and first things first, we are about to study right now because I have an exam coming up on 5th of May, which is a very important exam of my life. So I have to study right now, and while studying I have grabbed my water bottles, 1 and 2. So we will be drinking water and studying. So let's go. We will be tying our hairs first of all because it is extremely hot in Ratnagiri. It is super hot. So you must be thinking, if it is so super hot, why are you wearing a hoodie? That's my comfort outfit. I can't live without hoodie no matter how hot it is. So first let's tie our hairs and begin our studying and drinking. We are almost halfway done with our bottle and रात तक तो finish हो जाएगी I hope. So I'm already so happy. half finish हो गई. Almost 1 liter तो होगा ये. So उतना finish करना कोई बड़ी डील नहीं है. But we are almost halfway done. So yeah. It's day 2 and I just woke up. It's like 7 in the morning and still in my bed sheet right now. And the first thing I'm gonna do is complete my 500 ml of water. So let's go. So it's afternoon. I just had my lunch and we are halfway done with our big bottle. I'm currently watching a serial with my mummy. If you can see her, she's busy in her serial. Alright, so happy drinking everybody. So it's almost 10 p.m. right now. Day 2 is about to end. We are almost finished with our water. Just a bit is remaining. It will be finished within within an hour or two. And right now I was studying. As you can see, my bed is a bit of a mess right now. Day 1 was quite easy. Day 2, I felt it in my stomach. I literally peed for like 15 times. I'm tired. And also, I don't know. Let's see what the other 5 days have for us. 5 days are remaining. I am excited to see the changes in myself by drinking all this amount of water. So it's morning 8 and it's day 3 and I am in my garden. I just took a walk and now here I'm going to finish my 500 ml of water. So day 3 is going amazing so far. This is not a bottle. This is literally a batla. By the way, I'm halfway through it and it's just 2:30 in the afternoon of day 3. And the best thing I realized about drinking so much water is that you will be too busy. Yeah, I said it. You will be too busy drinking and peeing. You will have absolutely zero time thinking about your crush, your friends, or whatever stupid things they are up to. So I think that's the best advantage of drinking so much water. So it's evening time and I am here for a walk in my village. Omkar, can you show me water bottle? Yeah, we have our water bottle with us. So even for a walk, we are still drinking our water. And this is my little cousin, little Omkar. By the way, it's very important for your mental health as well as your physical health to walk. So even if you are not exercising anything, just make sure you take a 5-minute walk in this nature. In a beautiful nature, wherever you live. That's it. That's all I wanted you to say. The sun is shining pretty bright. It's a setting sun. And can you hear the voice of birds? I will stay quiet. You just hear the sound of birds, okay? This guy. Look at this guy laughing around. So just got home from my walk. I freshly showered and currently I'm having 2 batata vadas with some chutney. And I'll show you how much water I consumed today on day 4. So it's basically 6:30 in the evening right now. And we are almost done. A little bit part is remaining, but that would be finished by like 10 in the night. I don't know. So yeah, that's about day 4. So I am into my kitchen right now making some evening snack. So this is basically potatoes and some spices that I have thrown in. So all we are going to do right now is take our air fryer and put our little snack into it until it becomes crispy, and we are going to enjoy our little snack. So let's go. our snack is getting cooked in the air fryer. I will show you my water update. So we have almost finished half the water bottle, and I'm currently listening to all the TV Girl music. By the way, TV Girl is a great music band. You guys should just check their music out. I just totally love TV Girl. So our crunchy potatoes are ready. We just got them out of the air fryer. Now it's time to enjoy them. Our day 6 is about to end. It's almost, if you can see, it's 11 at night and we have finished our bottle of water. By the way, I was painting a picture with my alcoholic markers, if you can see. And tomorrow will be the last day of our challenge, so I will state all the benefits. You can see the glow, but there are also many benefits that I watched during this 7 days journey. And also I'm listening to TV Girl songs right now. So from the past 2 days I'm continuously listening to TV Girl songs. I don't know why, but I love it. It's the last day of our challenge and we are almost done with our water. Just a bit is remaining. I was watching Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, and summer is totally summering. Like, it's super hot in Ratnagiri and my city is famous for mangoes, so there are mangoes everywhere. By the way, I was enjoying amras right now. This is my second vati. So yeah, I love amras. You guys must be thinking this girl either eats or studies, because that's the only two things I have shown in my vlog. But that's only my life. There is nothing happening in my life other than drinking a gallon of water. It's that boring. So we are at the end of our video and I am going to state all the benefits that I received by following this 7-day challenge of a gallon of water. So the first biggest benefit is I usually have headaches in the morning, like I have migraine issues. But during the start of day 2, I realized that there were no headaches, like not at all. So like from past 6 days, I had like 0 headaches, and that was very surprising to me. So nobody told me that the headaches that I was having during the day were because of me not drinking water. So I am definitely going to inculcate this habit of drinking a lot of water, because I had no headaches for the past 6 days. Also, the second benefit, if you can see, is my skin. My skin is shining. I absolutely have 0 makeup on my skin except for the lip gloss that I'm wearing, otherwise 0 makeup, and you can see the difference in my skin. Like total glow. Like from day 3 itself, my skin was absolutely shining. So that is another biggest benefit. Third benefit that I observed was in my body. My body was not bloated at all from day 4. So like my bloating got reduced, not just in my body but also in my face. So that was another best benefit. The only downside of this challenge is the amount of times you have to pee. So like it could be 7 to 8 times, but it keeps you busy. You are busy drinking water and peeing, so you have no absolute time for other bullshit. That's the only downside of it. Otherwise, this challenge, I am though going to inculcate this habit of drinking water in my daily routine, because I don't know, because it is amazing. It is just amazing. I want these 3 benefits in my life. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.